Welcome to the walkthrough of the purchase order template. I will demonstrate how to load multiple POs from Excel to Oracle Fusion in this demo. The purchase order template functionality is not limited to creating the purchase order. The user can change multiple POs with a click of a button. For example, operations like closing multiple POs, uplifting POs, and changing requesters can be performed on multiple POs with a click of a button. The template supports POs with multiple lines, PO lines with multiple schedules, or schedules with multiple distributions. I will start the demo by uploading 3 PO with different scenarios. For example, the first PO is a quantity-based PO, the second is an amount-based PO, and the last PO has an inventory destination. Before I hit the upload button, let's quickly review the data entered in the sheet. At the header level, I have the business unit and the supplier details. The line columns contain line descriptions, quantity, and amount. Schedule columns contain location delivery details, and the distribution columns contain accounting details. Let me highlight the rows containing data and click on the Create Purchase Order button to upload. The loader sends data for one PO at a time, and updates the load status in column A. You notice that after the successful creation of the PO number and other necessary details are populated back into the spreadsheet. I will now demo the Download PO functionality. To download POs, you would need the PO number you wish to download. Let me copy the PO numbers that I just created and click on the Get PO Details button. This operation pulls PO's details from Fusion into the template. After downloading PO details, the user can perform operations like updating PO using the Create Change Order functionality or close or cancel POs. To close the PO, I will highlight the PO that I wish to close and click on the Close PO button. You can see that the PO is closed. I will navigate to the application to review POs. I will first copy the open PO and search it in the application. You can see that the PO status is open. Now let me search for the PO that I closed. You can see the status of the PO as closed. I hope you liked the demo. In case of questions or queries, please write to us at support@simplifiedloader.com.